Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for May 9th to 23rd. We have changes in the indices now since yesterday, and the PNA is expected to turn more positive. It's negative right now. And then we have the PNA turns negative. I'm sorry about that. And it will increase storms in the Rockies with less heat. And the NAO is forecast to trend positive. You can see it here. The other indices are down here. So during this forecast period, you will have a trough or upper low here south of the Aleutians, ridge across western North America, a trough here over the east, and we have above normal heights creating blocking across Greenland. And the models are good agreement with that. As we go through the period, we see right here, not much change. So the ridge in the east, the ridge in the west, let me see, will cause above normal temperatures, and these are the anomalies in Fahrenheit that we're forecasting in the east. Very high up parts of California, parts of the Southwest we go. And then in the same extreme, we have temperatures in the east will be below normal by about 20 degrees below normal. Look at these temperatures here. Here's the departures. And then a system will reach the west coast and bring significant precipitation from Northern California northward. And let me go to that map. Here's a system moving into the west, and this will bring precipitation across Northern California and points north, and then that'll move into the northern Rockies and into the plains, and then we have this clipper-like system here that will dive. Let me back it up a little bit, and will dive southeast. I'm going to try to get there. Wait, hold on. Hold on a minute. Just had it here a second ago. I was going to know these maps. Right here. We have this clipper-like system keeping the precipitation pretty tight. And this will spread precipitation and snow across portions of the Great Lakes on Sunday and into the Northeast on Monday. And there'll be possible snow in some areas of the interior Northeast. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for May 14th to the 18th. And the pattern becomes more zonal with a ridge forecast over Alaska, you see it here, and a trough near the west coast. And we also have below normal heights across the Great Lakes in eastern Canada. And the models are good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies at 6 to 12 degrees. Above normal, below normal temperatures here, with the anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees. Below normal for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and for this region, and the probability of occurrence 35 to 40%. And then we have below normal precipitation for this area here, upper Mississippi Valley, the Great Lakes, and for much of this area here, the probability of occurrence is 35%. Then looking ahead, this is for May 19th to 23rd. The pattern remains pretty much zonal across the country, but the models are displaying differences in the west. Now here we're looking at the GFS has a ridge here in the west, ridge here. All the models keep a trough across this area here, but then as we look at the European, brings a trough inland, still have above normal heights here in the east, as does the NAEFS near the above normal heights across much of the nation. So with that said, for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for much of this area here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 48 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast here, and I'm forecasting anomalies to be about 2 to 6 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation for this region, and the probability of occurrence is about 40%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion from May 9th to 23rd. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.